Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Tips for Longevity. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a jam within 30 minutes. Watch till the end and you can give a try to prepare this easy preparation. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, subscribe us and don't forget to click the bell icon for instant notifications. I'm going to prepare the jam using Bilimbi fruits. For that you need Bilimbi fruits, sugar, water and few small sticks of cinnamon. Clean and wash the fruits and cut them into small pieces like this. Remember that pieces should not be very thick. Then add cut pieces to a clean vessel. Then add 3 cups of fruits into a pan. Then add 4 cups of water to the pan or to immerse the fruits fully. Then heat the pan with water. Cook for about 5 minutes or until the fruits become slightly transparent in texture. Then turn off the heat and drain the water completely. After that, add 1 cup of sugar, cinnamon sticks and little amount of water into another pan. Then add boiled strained food to it and mix it well. You have to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until it thickens. Don't forget to open the lid occasionally and stir them well. While stirring, mash the fruits well. When it almost done, remove the cinnamon sticks from the pan and you can add a pinch of food color if you like. Then you have to mix it well. Turn off the heat when the jam just starts thickening. After cool down, it becomes thicker. Then you can store it in a glass container and keep it in the fridge. It takes only few minutes to prepare this. Don't forget to watch my video on how to preserve these fruits. I already mentioned the link of that video in the first comment.